Welcome! If you want to send multiple photos along with a text message in an Instagram chat using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, sharing batches of photos and adding your own comments is easier than ever, no phone needed. Let's walk through the steps together so you can start sharing your favorite moments directly from your browser. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one that looks like a speech bubble or a paper airplane. That's the messages icon. Now, you'll see a list of all your recent chats. Find the conversation you want to send photos to and click on it to open the chat window. At the bottom of this window, right where you would normally type a message, you'll notice a small photo icon. Click on this icon to start adding your photos. A File Explorer window will pop up. Choose the first photo you want to send and click Open, but don't hit Send just yet. Right below the photo preview, you'll see an option that says Upload another photo Manarach video. Click on this and you can select more photos from your computer. Repeat this step for each photo you want to include in your message. Once you've selected all your photos, it's time to add your text. Type your comment or message in the text box just like you normally would. When you're happy with your photos and your message, simply click Send. That's it. You've just sent multiple photos with a text message in an Instagram chat, all from your PC. This new update makes it super convenient to share memories, ideas, or anything else. No need to transfer files to your phone or use third-party tools. Try it out next time you want to make your Instagram conversations more visual and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.